Good morning, friends. Out here hanging out with the new setup. Cats are running around climbing trees. Looking at today, this painting is called Lovebirds. This one's actually on a prepared prime wood panel. This cool frame on it, simple wood frame, stained. It's a nice little box. Moving around here, give me just a moment. Yeah, I think this is an adorable little painting. This is Shannon out here again, making a video of some of my paintings. If you've been watching these videos and you haven't yet, like and subscribe. I'm trying to build some awareness. I'm a southwestern Louisiana oil painter, trying to share my art with the rest of the world. Just started this YouTube channel. But this is Lovebirds. This painting is available. If you're interested, you can message me. Let me know where you're at. And if you're an artist yourself or a collector, and I'd be curious to hear what y'all's hold on just a second here. I was looking at something. Yeah, I'd be curious to hear y'all's thoughts on these paintings and the work I've been doing. So leave me a message and try to get some kind of dialogue happening. Just trying to get the page started. Not doing a lot of video editing and stuff, just kind of trying to come out here and document what the pictures look like. Little setup we got out here. It's gonna, I've been saying when the weather gets nicer, I'm gonna start painting out here, and the weather is nicer, so I guess it'll be coming soon. But this is what the setup looks like. Hanging out with the cats. But it's a real nice morning here, Southwest Louisiana. A bunch of dew on the ground, walking around barefooted, clean my feet on the wet grass. Jennifer's out there looking at the garden and fussing about with the chickens, and real pretty morning. Guess this is gonna be a pretty quick video, but this is Lovebirds. It looks to be about maybe 8 by 10 inches, and it comes with this stained frame. Like I said, a nice little box that sits on the wall. And this painting is available, so if you're interested, yeah, just message me. Ship it to you wherever you might be at. Ship all over the country and the world. This has got some pretty punchy color. It's kind of electric blues and greens. It's a little punchier palette than I'm used to working with. Kind of these days kind of got more of a warmer, kind of subdued palette, maybe more naturalistic possibly. But I like these colors a lot, and I really love this painting. It's a cutie pie. Lovebirds. Audrey just ran up that tree real quick. She was high up too. She was probably 8-10 feet up there. There's Jen with the chickens. Yeah. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Yeah, and if you saw this, yeah, feel free to leave some comments, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.